It's not that I have to go on this alt break, it's that I get to go on this alt break and serve others.
An alternative break experience in ETSU is an opportunity for students to leave campus and go explore a location in the United States in which they identify a particular topic. They go to that location, explore that topic, understand it, live it for a week, if you will, and then they come back to ETSU with the intention of becoming a more active citizen.
So we are in New Orleans, Louisiana this week, and we are on an alternative spring break. We're coming down here to work with the Boys and Girls Club in Slidell. Whenever you come to college, you've got this 4 to 5 year area there where you're working and you're pursuing a degree. There's often times where you take those classes and you're like, what is that going to look like whenever I apply them? All of those things I learned in the classroom, I'm actually getting to apply while I'm here. And I feel like to know yourself really has to be to serve other people.
I know it might seem like you're giving up your break, but it's such a rewarding experience for you and the communities you're serving.
Critical reflection provides the opportunity for our students to pause and really work on why this experience matters. We have a tendency to look at the big, bright, and shiny things that exist, but I think that the most change-inducing experiences that I have while I'm here are small, tiny little things.
The mission of our organization is to enable young people to become productive, responsible, and caring citizens. I think it's important to expose children to young adults that are making positive changes in their life. I just think the energy that these students have brought this particular trip will be something that will have a life-lasting impact on our kids.